Hey everyone, welcome to Project Melanin Beauty. My name is Nicole Webster and I am your host. I created Project Melanin Beauty to empower Black women and girls to feel beautiful and confident in their skin and to define beauty by their own standards. In celebration of Black History Month, I'll be featuring 28 beautiful Black women releasing one makeover video every day of the month to bring you easy, gorgeous makeup tutorials and a little inspiration as we celebrate the magic in our melanin. Stay tuned to hear what these beautiful ladies have to say about beauty, confidence, and being a Black woman. Hey guys, welcome back to another Project Melanin Beauty video. I am with the gorgeous Faith, and today we're going to be doing a sexy, sultry, neutral chocolate brown makeup look on her. And we're just starting off with some foundation, and then I'm going to go in directly with my sponge and apply a foundation that's a couple shades lighter than her skin tone to highlight and conceal. So now I'm going to set her makeup, and I'm using a dual powder that's a couple shades lighter than her skin tone in the center of her face to highlight. And then I'm going to go in with a powder that matches her complexion to set the rest of her face. And as you can see, I am using a damp sponge to apply her powder. And the reason why I'm doing this is because it's going to give me a little bit more coverage and a more flawless finish. Now I'm moving in with the contour, and I'm contouring her cheekbones and her forehead to really chisel out her features. So continuing with the contour and highlight, I'm highlighting the center of her face. And then we're going to move on to blush, and I'm using the blush that comes in the palette, which is called Malkat, which is a really pretty coral peach tone. Next, moving on to brows, and Faith has really nice brows, so I'm just going to brush through her brows with a brow mascara, and that's all she needs. So moving on to eyes, we are keeping it soft and neutral, and I'm using my new palette called Autumn, and I'm going in with a copper tone eyeshadow on the lid. And now I'm just going to define her eyes and go right into the crease with a brown shadow. And I'm also going to apply that brown shadow on the outer corner of her eye as well. Now I'm going to highlight under her brow using a matte shadow that's a couple shades lighter than her skin tone, and you want to blend that down into your crease color. And I'm defining her eyes using the gel pencil in Black Caviar. So I'm just going to smudge that liner just a little bit to give her a little smoke effect. And now I'm applying some Intense Lash Mascara to really intensify and define her eyes. Lastly, for lips, I'm applying our lip pencil in Walnut, and this is going to define her lips and help her lipstick last longer as well. And lastly, for this look, I'm using a really pretty dark chocolatey lipstick called Night Moves. Whoa. That wasn't what I was expecting. Wow. I like the eyes and that lip color. Very nice. Very nice. And not too much either. I like it.
What makes me confident in my skin? Well, I'm a proud black woman, and I like it that when I go into a job interview or somebody sees me in a meeting, they may not expect to see a black woman in the meeting room, but I'm confident that when they see that and then they see the progress and they see my input, that they are impressed that yeah, black women can do it too. What I love about being a black woman is I like that I'm unique, I'm different, and I stand out more than other people. I like that I have opportunities, I like that I have diversity, I can try different things, I can have different hair. I like the variety of being a black woman and the diversity. What I would tell my 12-year-old self, I would say just be confident in who you are. Beauty is more than just skin deep. Just having your personality shine forth, that's what's beautiful. And then put on some chapstick too.